The circular ring, it's actually really impressive.
Fashion accessory,
Water
resistant,
really interesting.
personal capabilities.
7 years. The time of research, innovation, and refinement to craft the world's most precise and elegant health tracker. This is Circular Ring 2. Elevate your health with unmatched elegance. Circular 2 features a medical-grade ECG sensor and 12 premium health tools for effortless, stress-free living. Simply wear the ring and let it quietly work its magic. Crafted with premium and enduring materials for extreme durability, unrivaled comfort that seamlessly accompanies you wherever life takes you, even beneath the surface. Easy charging and a week-long battery life, ensuring your activity and rest are tracked day and night. Devote your time to what truly matters with Kira, your sophisticated health assistant. She tunes into your body signals, helping you strengthen defenses and enhance sleep, stress, and recovery while preempting illness. Available in 4 colors, crafted to match your unique style.
Circular 2 is our most powerful and precise ring to date. With 7 years of innovation and expertise behind it, we've poured our heart and soul into making it. And we're proud to bring it to the crowdfunding community first, the place where it all started.